Hey friends, if you encounter the error a client-side exception has occurred, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the browser. Now, how do you update the browser? Let's say this browser is Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, any Chromium-based browser. Click on these three dots here, select Help and Feedback, and then click on About Microsoft Edge. It's similar for Firefox as well, and the same for most other browsers. The next one is to sync date and time in the system, because this system clock is picked up by the browser, and if this time and date is wrong and it is very obsolete, then the browser will not recognize the certificates. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select date and time. Now select set time zone automatically. Now then select set time automatically, and finally click on sync now. The next solution is to scan your system for malware. Now, how do we scan the system for malware? Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab, select Quick Scan, and if you want more, select Scan Options, Full Scan, and then click on Scan Now. The next solution is to remove extensions. Now, how do we remove extensions? Click on these three dots here, select extensions, click on manage extensions, and then if any extension is checked, remove it, or remove this one, and then click on remove, and then click on remove once again to remove it. Finally, you can clear the browser cache and cookies. So click on these three dots here, select history, and then click on this bin symbol, and then select the time range at all time, and make sure that cookies and cache are selected, and then click on clear now. This will solve the problem for most of the users, but if it exists, then let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could check further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.